feel when I ride a bumble.
It's fake kills.
One time.
Standard.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a bob wig from start to finish. As you can see in this video, I folded the closure into two equal halves and I'm going to place a pin in the middle that will serve as a guideline, and then I'll transfer it to the canvas head. So I'm going to pin this down to make sure that the closure is flat, and then I'll sew the closure using a needle and thread. Please make sure that the closure is this flat on the canvas head before you sew it with your needle and thread. This is to ensure that the closure part is not bulky by the time you're done wigging.
Man, I telling me they go. See the girl, them are slow. Bad man on the road. See the girl, them go down. Ooh-wee. Bad man run the show now. Oh yeah. See the girl, them go down. Ooh-wee. And a bad man run the show. Now.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger.
Now that I'm done sewing down my closure, I'm going to be drawing my 1-inch guideline using this metallic pen. If you cannot find a metallic pen, you can use a white chalk or a water-based white marker.
Original, bad man. And me get this song for them. Lego. Original bad man. His body, baby.
So now that I'm done drawing my guidelines, it's now time to start sewing the wig. Guys, in this video, I'm doing a large cap size for a customer, and she requested that her wig be full, so I'm using 3 bundles. If you're doing a size small or size medium, 2 bundles will give you a full bob wig, or you can go ahead and use 2.5 bundles, but because this is a large cap size, it requires more bundles in order for it to have that volume. I went ahead to cut off the excess piece underneath the lace closure. I find this a lot easier for me to work with when I'm sewing down the last track close to the closure. I forgot to mention the length of the bundles that I'm using. I have 2 bundles of 8 inches, 1 bundle of 10 inches, and a 12-inch closure. I did my first 2 lines using a single track, and then I went ahead and doubled the track starting from the 3rd line all the way to the top. And this is to ensure that the bundles are enough to make the whole wig. So if, for example, you're using 2 bundles to make the wig, I would suggest that you do the first 4 lines using a single track before you go ahead and double.
But my music fire, it did drive them crazy. I want me one bomb me for my city, for my hood, them no. See my people, them hail me. If they're hating on me, make the carry go. For me radio, every day they play me for me radio. Then they feel me, anytime they see me on the video. They want to see when me chilling for me yard and me sitting on a low key. Shake goes, man a bad man, they can try to see. What my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Take it raw, well, okay. If they play my music, if you get my CD, make you hate me when you see me now. They want to know.
So this is what the wig looks like by the time I was done sewing. So right now I'm going to attach an elastic band, and to do that I'm going to count 4 lines away from the closure, and I'll put it underneath the 4th line and repeat the same process on the other side of the wig.
It's fake heels.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me a nigga.
Right now I'm done sewing down the elastic band, and as you can see it's nice and secured. So let's move over to cutting this bob wig. I've already straightened this hair. Yes, I know you guys have been waiting for a straight hair tutorial, like tutorial on how to straighten your hair, and I know I've not really done anything like that on my channel. I'm so sorry. I'm going to do that very soon, like probably in my next 2 videos. I use the length of the closure, which is 12 inches, to cut this bob wig. How to cut the bob wig? Just make sure that you place the wig on the same canvas head you use in sewing the wig. Like for example, I used a large cap size on this canvas head, which is a 23 inches circumference. So when cutting the bob wig, make sure you use the same circumference. If you cut a large cap size bob wig on a medium size canvas head, the result will be very, very messy. So make sure you use the same canvas head as to the customer's size of head, if that makes any sense. So you're going to make sure that the canvas head is placed straight on the tripod stand, and you will tilt it forward a little bit. As you can see in this video, it's not standing straight, it's tilted a bit to the front. So that's what you're going to do, just to make sure that you cut the hairs at the bottom shorter than the ones on the top.
Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time, baby. I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time, baby. I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake heels.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bumbuck like them are watching. They are pretty about that. Bad man, what you say?
Don't dada, fire can't cool me up on tire.
Original bad man.
It's fake heels.
Standard.
She give me pon me hard, say she give me pon me hard. Fine girl, I come in on me hard, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so. Put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me hard. Man, I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me hard. Man, I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I not bad man, and they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to feel. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I not bad man, and they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to feel.
So guys, that's basically how I do my bob wigs. And if you're interested in any of my wigs, the link to my website will be in my description box below. And also, if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And also don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from me. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
I mean a bad man, they want to say I mean a bad man, they want to feel. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I not bad man, I